stop. 4 p.m. hits, it's a whole new game. Orders coming fast, ain't no shame in the name. Full-timers feel it, but it's not the same. That early shift's quiet, it's never gonna claim. From 10 a.m. it's all chillin' vibes, but when the clock hits 4, yo, that's when it thrives. Gotta get to the grind, can't be missing the beat. But if you're in that 1 p.m. zone, know there's a light on the street. Still we push through, fighting for every plate. Looking at the clock, but we ain't gotta wait. The newbies got the magic, they taking the crown, while the vets are still chillin', trying to hold it down. 4 p.m. hits, it's a whole new game. Orders coming fast, ain't no shame in the name. Full-timers feel it, but it's not the same. That early shift's quiet, it's never gonna claim. From 10 a.m. it's all chillin' vibes, but when the clock hits 4, yo, that's when it thrives. Yo, what's the secret, what's the catch? Is the early shift cursed, or just another match? The mystery lingers, but we know the truth. New recruits roll in, they got the proof. Maximum targets, breaking every mold. They don't need no silver, they're